Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a quick get ready with me. I'm so excited because I have a lot of new products to share, so let's get into it. All right, so first things first, I'm going to get into it with this Embryolisse moisturizer. I'm like really hoping I said that right, but this moisturizer is bomb. If you're looking for a good moisturizer, definitely check this one out. So today's foundation is actually from MAC, and girl, I'm shocked myself because usually I don't like MAC complexion products, but this is the Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation, and surprisingly, I really do like it. I'm also in the shade NC50, which is a pretty good match. I'm really liking this. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Pro Filt'r Concealer, and this I just use as an eyeshadow base. So next I'm going in with the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette. I really like this palette, y'all, but it's super old, but it still does the job. But I'm going in with this matte, kind of like emerald green shadow, and I'm focusing that shadow in my crease and in my outer V. Now I'm going to actually move on to using my Danessa Myricks Colorfix in the shade Secret Garden. And y'all, the shade is so bomb. I'm so in love with Danessa Myricks Colorfix pigments. Like, I'm slowly building my collection. Now I'm moving on to using the Queen's palette, Jackie Aina. I love her, but we're gonna go in with the shade Sponsored, just in the middle of the mobile lip. So we're channeling like date night, late night, outings for this look. So I'm going in with just a little bit of black for the outer V. I think that this will make this, kind of smoky, kind of sexy when you're going out. So I'm just putting a little bit and focusing that shade in the outer V. So next we're just going to do highlight and contour. I film this all the time, so I'm not going to bore you guys, but I've been really focusing on placement. So like when you highlight and contour, you want to make sure that you're placing the concealer in a spot where it's going to lift your eye and you're not following everybody on the gram, but like your actual face shape. So that's what I've been really focused on when highlighting and contouring. This is new, so I like to set my highlighted areas with the Pro Filt'r Fenty Powder Foundation in the shade 360. And then I'm going to contour, and then I'm going to go in with a setting powder. This way, I feel like it just makes it look, beat. Everything is set. But this is, we're channeling night look. So everything needs to be right and tight. So I'm looking kind of ghostly, y'all, but I'm telling you, once you spray this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, listen, everything comes back together. Trust me, it looks amazing at the end. Next, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite blushes by Mented Cosmetics called Clay Too Much. If you don't have this blush, listen, it's amazing. Go get it, and also use my code SoulStyleBeauty for some money off. And then I'm going to go in with their new highlight palette. So you guys need to check out Mented. Don't forget, use SoulStyleBeauty for some money off. So I did my eyes off camera, my eyeliner, my mascara, my lashes. All the info will be down below, but let's get into the lips. So I used the NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso, and then I went in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream in the shade Fenty Glow, and I absolutely love the turnout. If you made it to the end, you're a real one. Definitely don't forget to subscribe and share with a friend. And I'll see you in my next video.